We are looking at how to pronounce these two words that look similar but have different meanings and different pronunciations, slightly different pronunciations. So the top word designates things that are essentially different in kind, not able to be compared to one another, an adjective. It is said as disparate, disparate, stress on the first syllable, disparate, as in those horses have different colors and sizes. There are a very disparate group of horses. The bottom word designate people that are hopeless, no hope, desperate. Desperate is how it is said in British English. So the top word is disparate, the bottom word is desperate. Now in American English in particular, the bottom word, hopeless, is desperate. Desperate. Just skip the second syllable in American English. So disparate, the top word, desperate, the bottom word. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this clear enough? Let me know in the comments. Like the video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching.